Welcome to 21st Century Educators and Critical Thinking, Melissa Newcomb. When it comes to technology and its tidal wave that is crashing down on our education system, our digital natives, students, have a clear message to educators. They believe it's not going anywhere and that schools should get on board because the students are ready to ride. But educators believe and know that developing and learning critical thinking skills are vital components of success in a student's education, their future careers, and life skills in general. So the question poses, how can we teach and model critical thinking while also riding this technology tidal wave with our students? Let's first look at critical thinking and what is it? According to Jessica Monsbach of Northwestern School of Professional Studies, critical thinking is a higher order cognitive skill that is indispensable to students, readying them to respond to a variety of complex problems that are sure to arise in their personal and professional lives. So what skills do we look for? We look for these higher order skills, starting with remembering, moving to understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and finally creating. Why is it important that we teach our students to think critically while using technology? As pointed out earlier, educators believe critical thinking is a vital skill that all students need to develop. 21st century jobs and life skills are demanding it. According to Wagner, the world doesn't care what students know, but what they can do with what they know. How do we develop critical thinking skills using technology? Here are some ways. Produce reflection activities. Using Seesaw in the classroom is a great way for elementary students to journal their learning process and show their growth throughout the semester or the year. Peer review activities. Again, using Seesaw in the classroom provides many opportunities to practice online peer review. Discussion forum activities, giving students a forum to discuss their learning, ways they can improve, and give each other constructive feedback provide opportunity to use lower level and higher level thinking skills. Small group activities. Placing students in small groups allows them ample opportunity to practice their critical thinking skills. An example might be having students research a pet online, discover what needs that pet has, and design and produce a safe pet toy for this pet. To close, I want you to remember this quote and ask yourself how you can help develop critical thinking skills using technology in your classroom today. The world doesn't care what students know, but what they can do with what they know.